Big Cartel Marketplace Integrator for Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our review of the Big Cartel Marketplace Integrator for Dropshipping. Links to the product and other helpful resources can be found in the description below. This integrator is specifically designed for creative entrepreneurs and dropshippers using Big Cartel to streamline their operations. It automates critical tasks like product listing, inventory management, and order fulfillment, giving you more time to focus on growing your business while minimizing errors and manual work. The standout feature of this integrator is its seamless product import functionality, which allows you to quickly add products from your suppliers into your Big Cartel store. Product details, such as titles, descriptions, images, and pricing, are transferred effortlessly, enabling you to set up or update your store in minutes. Another essential feature is real-time inventory synchronization, which ensures that your stock levels are always accurate, preventing issues like overselling or stockouts that could impact your store's reputation. Additionally, the integrator includes pricing automation tools that let you establish profit margins, adjust for shipping costs, and stay competitive in the marketplace without constant manual intervention. Order management is another area where this integrator shines. It automatically syncs orders from your Big Cartel store to your suppliers, simplifying the fulfillment process. Once an order is processed, tracking information is updated in real time, providing your customers with accurate shipping updates and reducing inquiries. This tool is ideal for small to medium-sized dropshippers who want to expand their Big Cartel operations without being overwhelmed by manual tasks. It's particularly beneficial for sellers managing a diverse product catalog or multiple suppliers, offering a centralized solution for all operations. In terms of strengths, the Big Cartel Marketplace Integrator is user-friendly, efficient, and tailored to the platform's simplicity. However, it does have some limitations, including fewer integration options with third-party tools and the lack of advanced analytics for in-depth business insights, which might be a drawback for data-driven sellers. In conclusion, the Big Cartel Marketplace Integrator is a solid tool for automating essential dropshipping tasks. While it may lack some advanced features, its ease of use and core functionalities make it an excellent choice for Big Cartel users looking to scale efficiently. Check the links in the description to learn more and get started.